I'm pretty proud of it actually. My name's Lee Rowland. I think I'm more of an engineer than an artist. That's how it started, definitely. This has been a 2-year project from when I first met the company that commissioned me, which is H2. So it's coming to the time in the next 2 to 3 weeks when we're looking to get it dispatched and get it on board the 100-metre Superyacht that it's going on. So
the client chose us because we could demonstrate that we could manage a wide and diverse supply chain that had the skills necessary to deliver a complex project speedily.
The machines they have can cut out anything, you know, huge items to within the thickness of paper, basically, as accuracy is concerned, you know, incredibly precise machines. The inspiration with me is not so much a droplet of water, but it's understanding manufacturing and being able to make it and know that you can make it. You know, you can draw on the processes that these guys are using as well as the hand skills we have and stuff like that. When you understand how to manufacture something, you take it for granted. To me, it's an instant sort of acknowledgement that we can achieve such a profile in such a thickness of material with such a finish. It's quite artistic, I think, you know, but to me it's just pure engineering. It's one of the world's funkiest coffee tables, isn't it?